Okay, I'm going to do this quick video because I want to show you guys how to make a very fast CPA ad that you can pop right on your site real quick. First thing you want to do is, like we talked about before, you want to get that smiling pretty little face. So the first thing you want to do is go up here and you click open, find the face where you stored some pictures. I have some pictures stored here. Let's see if we can find a nice little face here. There we go. There's a nice little face right there. So we'll take her face right here. We'll open it up. Bring her right back in. Don't want to say anything. So, okay, now we have her face here. One thing I want to tell you is because we have her face here now, we need to stretch this out. We need to make this a big palette now. We got to do that. Make it a bigger palette like that. Then what we're going to do is go up here and grab select, click that. Then we're going to basically just select her face. I'm not doing a very good job, am I? Let me see if I can make a better selection here. Got to select it as best as possible from the corner there. There we go. So we select her face right there. Boom. Then what we want to do is we want to move it. Once we select it, we can actually move her face. So we want to move it. We don't want to move it all around, but we do want to move it. The place we want to move it, as you can see here, we got a little problem right there. We got to get that out of there. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use the eraser, which is right here, and I'm just going to erase that coloring down there. Now that's done. Alright, now I'm going to select her face again and try to get it a little bit better. Don't have to get it as exact right now because it's white on white. Now we got her face selected. Now I want to move her. It's okay. I just want to move her up so I get about that little bit of area there all around. Okay, so then I'll click on the white here, and that's going to lock her face in there. And get this eraser again and erase this line. I don't want that. Alright, so now the first thing we want to do is we want to create our heading. So let's say if it's acne, so we go up here to the text widget, click that, and then we just pull a box open here, and I know that we're going to use probably about 20 for the size. As you can see, we got 16 in the box, so I'm going to change that to 20. And I'm going to say stop acne now. And you notice how it fell down there. All I have to do is stretch it out a little bit. It goes back up there. I don't like the color, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to block it out. Go over to my palette. I'm going to pick blue. I want blue. Okay, and then I'm going to go here and I'm going to put a, oops, I got to pull it out a little bit more. Now we have an exclamation point. Let's get rid of that space. Stop acne now. Now what I can do is I want to now position this text, so I'm going to just slide it up. I want it to be kind of a little flush with the top there, so I'm going to bring it down just a little bit here, and I'm going to slide it up there to get it flush with the top, right about somewhere out there. And then I'm just going to, I want it a little bit more to the right, maybe slide it down. And then I want to lock it. So that's locked. Stop acne now. Now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and I want to put my my offer in there. So I'll put learn. I want this to be probably around 1816 will do. Learn how, oops, I want that all sentence case, how to end acne in 24 hours. Okay, so learn how to end acne in 24 hours. So then I want to go ahead and I don't like the color of that because we want that color to be black, so we'll go up to the palette here. We'll make that black. Now I want to position it a little bit right there. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Let's make it 18 instead of that. Now let's see if we can position it. No, maybe 16 is going to be it. So we'll position it a little bit better here. Learn how to stop acne in 24 hours. And then I want to put, click here, here, click here. Just learn how to stop acne in 24 hours, click here. And I just want to line it up real nice. Close my little box up right. And then I want the click here I want green, so I'll highlight that. I'll come up here, I'll find the green, there's the green, I'll underline it right here. And we got click here. I don't like it, I got a little bit too much click here. Alright, stop acne now, click here. And then what I can do is I can just, click outside of this box and it locks it in place. So I got stop acne now, click here. Alright, if I want to change something, I can always pick it and move it around a little bit, but I'm pretty okay with that. So now here's what I need to do. I need to select the ad, so I just go up here, select it from the corner here, right there, and then didn't get it right. Grab it right at the corner. And then I want to come down, not too far from the end of the word there. Try to have it all even all the way across. Maybe like that. Bingo, like that. Then all I have to do is come up here, hit crop, and there it is. There's my ad. Stop acne now. Learn how to stop acne in 24 hours. Now, I could also, I could underline this if I wanted to. I could make that, put an underline there. I can't do it now, but I could back when I was doing it. But that's okay. That's my ad. Then all I have to do here is go and say save as here, and then I'll save it off to probably my desktop, and then I'll call it face ad or whatever I want to call it. Let's say face ad and make it face ad 1, and then I just save it as a JPEG like this here. You can save it as a number of different things, with all these things here. You can, but basically you want a JPEG, so I just save it as a JPEG, save it. Now I have my ad picture. All I have to do is upload it to my WordPress and then put the code in, and now I've got my ad. And that's the ball game.